This is a sweet potato, kale, and bacon frittata. And this is thick cut bacon. And I'm gonna cut this up into like 1/3-inch slices. And I wanna get them into an oven-safe pan. So I'm gonna let this bacon get nice and crispy, about 10 minutes, that's all it takes. And while it cooks away, I'm gonna slice up the sweet potato. And the best thing about this particular recipe is you don't even have to peel the potato. So I'm gonna get 8 eggs. I'm just gonna give it a quick whisk. 1/4 cup of water, and this is gonna help emulsify. I'm gonna take a really quick look at these guys. So let's get the bacon out. Once it starts to cook with all the other ingredients and get in the egg, the bacon softens up a little bit, so I wanna get it as crispy as possible. Now, because I don't need all of this bacon fat, I'm gonna take a little bit out and reserve a couple tablespoons and get the sweet potato in there. Get all the sweet potato coated with that luscious bacon grease. So while the sweet potato gets tender, I'm gonna go grab some kale out of the fridge. This is curly kale. Super easy to get the stem out, which is the really tough part you don't want in your chopped kale. So you just pull that out just like that. And this is gonna add a nice bit of texture to our frittata. Now, this looks like a lot, but it is gonna wilt down. I wanna get the hot sweet potatoes that have been sauteing in here and get that on top of the kale, and that will help the kale wilt down just a little bit more. A little bit of salt and pepper. Alrighty, now that the kale is wilted, the bacon goes right back in. Okay, this is ready for the eggs and the cheese. 1 cup of grated white cheddar cheese. I'm gonna put half of it into the eggs, and then the other half is gonna go on top. Let's get the rest of the cheese on top. Just sprinkle it everywhere. Then it goes into a 400-degree oven for only about 6 or 7 or 8 minutes, just until the top firms up and that cheese gets beautiful and bubbly and just slightly brown.